Hi, I'm Jesse. I have been playing around with a Lichtenberg wood burning machine that I have made out of a microwave oven transformer. You see them online all the time. They're pretty fascinating. And what they do is they burn fractal images into wood using high voltage. You're probably familiar with it if you've already looked into it. Here's a couple of pieces that I've made already. I really like that one. That one turned out great. And this was the first burn that I made. Used a couple of large trenches, but I wanted to make another one. See if I can get it on video. This is my little machine here. It's quite simple. Nothing too special about it. I've got two probes on a couple of chicken sticks. And what I've got right here is just a blank piece of wood with a paper towel, and it is soaked in a solution of 1 cup of water with 1 cup of baking soda. Nuke the water for about 1 minute in your microwave, and then mix your baking soda, and it'll mix up really nicely. If you just use cold water, you can mix it till your face turns blue, and you will not get a mixture that it'll work, but it's like sea monkeys. The baking soda just sinks to the bottom and settles, and you have to stir it every time that you want to apply it more. Also, if you put a damp rag on the wood and let it soak for a little while, it saturates that wood just a little bit better and helps the current pass through, makes it a lot nicer. Unfortunately, one of the side effects of using baking soda in your water is it will put a stain on the wood. This doesn't even tell me what kind of wood it is. I think it's pine. It came from, I got it at Joann's Fabrics for like $1.50 a piece or whatever, just little blanks to practice with. But this white wood, the baking soda really did put kind of a tan on it, which isn't really that big of a problem, except I like to put the damp cloth in from the border, because if it goes all the way up to the border, then your burn likes to go over to the edge and burn down the side, and I don't think that looks very nice. Where it looks really nice when you get your burn all within the face of the board, but you can also see the color difference from the inner patch where that kind of soaked in. So I might just paint it again on the edges with some more baking soda to try to finish that color out, and then I'll probably try to put a varnish over the top of it and see how that turns out. I don't know a whole lot about wood burning, or woodworking, so this is all kind of new. With my tool here, I've got some high voltage wire. This stuff's good for up to 15,000 volts. My machine puts out about 2,000 volts, so that works really well. These look basically just like spark plug wires for the most part. Get a really good arc off of this. That's always fun. Had that soaking for a couple of minutes. Let's see if it's long enough. That's a really good start so far. See how that looks so far? So when you're keeping a steady arc on a transformer like this, it will heat up. So it's a good idea to keep an eye on the temperature. I'm still floating right around 80 degrees, so things are looking pretty nice. It'll get up to about 120 before I'll stop and let it cool off.